In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to leave a channel in Slack. Now, Slack is a fantastic platform for team communication and project management, but sometimes you might find yourself in a channel that's no longer relevant to you. Leaving such channels can help keep your workspace organized and focused. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, you'll need to open Slack. This can be done on your computer or mobile device, whichever you find most convenient. If you're on a desktop, you can either open the Slack app or use your preferred web browser to go to Slack's website. Once you're there, you'll need to log in. You can use your email, Google account, or Apple ID to access your workspace. Make sure that you sign into the correct account, especially if you manage multiple Slack workspaces. Once you're logged in, take a look at the left side of your screen. This is where you'll see a list of all your workspaces. Click on the workspace that contains the channel you wish to leave. Workspaces in Slack act like virtual hubs, each hosting various channels dedicated to different topics, projects, or teams. After selecting the appropriate workspace, you'll see another list. This time, it's the channels within that workspace. Scroll through and click on the specific channel you want to exit. Going into the channel allows us to access its settings and details, which is where you'll find the option to leave. With the channel open, look towards the top right corner of the Slack interface. You'll notice an ellipsis, which usually appears as 3 vertical dots. Clicking on this will open a drop-down menu, leading you to the channel details. These dots are the key to accessing more specific channel functions that aren't visible at first glance. In the channel details, pop up, scroll down to the bottom. Here, you'll find the option to leave the channel. This process ensures you have easy access to channels you frequently use and helps declutter your sidebar. Before you click to leave, remember this action won't delete previous messages or files you shared. It simply removes you from the roster of current participants. Once you've confirmed your decision to leave, you won't see any new messages from that channel, effectively tidying up your Slack interface. Congrats! You've successfully streamlined your Slack workspace by leaving a channel that's no longer needed. This process is quick and ensures your focus remains on what's relevant and important. Feel free to repeat these steps for any other channels you want to leave. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, be sure to check out our other guides for more Slack tips.